Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use the Bitwarden Authenticator. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and download and install it through your App Store or Play Store, depending on whatever device you're using, and simply go ahead and open it. So for example, let's say I want to set up a two-factor authentication for my Facebook. I'm simply going to go ahead and open my Facebook, head into the settings, of course, and then simply go ahead into see more in Account Center and then tap on your privacy and security. If you don't find it through this, you can simply go ahead and down into your settings right over here. One more time, simply click on your password and security, and once you've done that, all you need to do is tap on two-factor authentication and then simply go ahead and set up with an authenticator application. Now all you need to do is open your Bitwarden application and scan that code right over here, and once you've done that, it is going to be set up and you can use your Bitwarden application for the two-step verification because it is going to be constantly generating verification codes. You won't need to be receiving any SMSs. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you